Good morning. Well, I'm back on board Wahine. Lots of chores to do. I need to be in Iki by next Monday night at the latest. Hi, well, I'm back in Odo Marina and with Wahine the last couple of days preparing to sail to Iki Jima. The History Channel shoot for the pilot is next week. There's a low pressure area, a typhoon in the Pacific causing instability everywhere, but I'm getting Wahine ready to go. There she is. Check the elbow, the seawater exchange elbow. Okay, now we start the engine. Let's see. First time in 6 weeks with the new elbow. Okay. Neutral. Okay. This is Yuki-san, amazing mechanic. Arigato gozaimashita. Okay, I cut it out, and instantly I felt the breeze. It was nice. So now to cut the vinyl. So I'm looking through the new Dodger cutout I did. I put this on yesterday with the Velcro, marine grade Velcro, with strips down the side. But two things, I think it didn't stick well. And I think it's because I need to clean it a bit better. And also when I pressed the Velcro on, I didn't have anything to press it against. But now I've got this piece of wood I had spare on the boat, and I'll just use this to go around and press the Velcro. So I can't do this with one hand, so I'm doing some work with lines. I put these zip locks on my mandatory life rings, rescue rings, while I was away to make sure it wasn't blown off. But now that I'm getting ready to sail, I must remove those. Do that one-handed without that. So this is Hori-san. Nishi Fukuoka Marina. We're going to pay our bills to the post office. Here, 1,000 yen, haircut, beard trim, ears and shave. Wow, amazing. I'm here now, but this place phones me when the computer phones me when it's finished. It's quite shallow all along there, so there's a very narrow water to come in. Well, with warming temperatures, I can put away my trusty gas heater. It's done me 2 seasons, a gift from my mate Claude of sailing Nice, Team of Nice in Tokyo, but now going back into storage. So, well, it's been a rather stormy Friday, a bit of rocking and rolling, temperatures dropped, and just been plying away, working on things in the boat, getting prepared, reorganizing down below. Had a final production meeting with the History Channel team today, and all systems are go for Iki next week, and Joshua Collard from the Never Too Late Academy and the agency is also, she want to get ready for a sunrise departure.
I'll zap it to you.
Thank you.
Safe trip.
As you can probably hear, I've got the motor running. I have both sails up. We've only got about 3 knots of wind. I'm about to turn past the headland to the channel. Fukuoka is behind me. It's about 7 a.m. and I should get there around lunchtime. We'll see. She is. Well, I'm mooring just the other side where those white structures are. Off to the port to meet Joshua from the Never Too Late Academy, who's going to film a behind the scenes episode this week of the History Channel. Welcome to Iki.
Hey, thank you.
Good. Ten years ago, I wrote a book called Never Too Late, 10 Tips That Changed the Course of Your Life. I still believe in those tips, but I've actually upgraded them and adapted some of them. So here we go. Top 10 tips plus 10. You're going to get 20. Number 1, the theme is navigation. And my tip 10 years ago was get a map. Today I say get more than one map.